Geetha Ranganathan in New Jersey. Geetha, what are you looking for a little bit later?
Yeah, so Jonathan, good morning. So going into this quarter for Netflix, actually expectations are a little bit tempered. So actually, if we look at the stock price action from the last quarter when they reported, the stock is down almost 25%. And what we're seeing is that some of the initiatives that they have kind of launched over the past year or so, which is one is advertising, has not really kind of taken off in the way that they wanted it to. Password sharing crackdown, yes, it's been a success, but it's been a little bit of a double-edged sword because yes, it has reignited subscriber growth, which is good, but no, it has not kind of prompted the upside in revenue growth. And so we're seeing a lot of pressure on ARPU, or average revenue per member, and that's not necessarily good. So, of course, expectations kind of really being dialed back as we kind of head into this quarter.
Geetha, last quarter, all you and I were talking about was the strike, the writers' strike, and what would happen to content and the content pipeline. Geetha, has that disrupted the company at all, looking out to next year?
Well, so one of the strikes is over, the writer strike, which is good, but the actor strike is still not over, which again, it really makes the content slate really shaky going into 2024. We obviously know that a lot of the hit series coming out of Netflix, for example, Stranger Things, plenty of others are actually going to be delayed. Having said that, though, I would like to point out that licensed content has actually done really, really, really well on Netflix. Think of USA Network's Suits, which has kind of become this phenomenon on Netflix. I mean, this was available on USA Network years ago. This was available on Peacock, but just the ability of Netflix to kind of take an old show like that, a show that is not even made by them, still dominate the pop culture, just tells us the power of the platform and kind of indicates to us that they could go ahead and license a lot more content if their rivals are willing to sell it to them.